Hi Beshies! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do the 50 songs in 5 minutes challenge. So if you're interested in this video, just keep on watching. So Beshies, few days ago, nag-post ako sa aking community na gagawa ako ng ganitong challenge and tinanong ko sa inyo kung meron ba kayong suggestions na kanta, whether it is OPM or English song. So ayun, nandito na lahat yung mga sinabi nyong kanta or yung sinuggest nyong kanta. So hindi lahat na ilagay ko dito kasi 50 lang madami rin yung mga nag-suggest. Ayan, so hindi ko po sila sinulat ko lang sila. So ang challenge sa akin dito, kung alam ko ba yung mga kanta. So kantahin ko yung 50 songs dapat sa 5 minutes, pero depende kung alam ko sila lahat. So, let's get started. So nga pala guys, disclaimer lang, hindi po ako singerist, no? hindi maganda yung boses ko. So, pasensyahan nyo na po, baka ma-out of tune ako. So guys, sa bawat kanta na mabubunot ko dito is dapat makakanta ko ng kahit isang line lang para magkaroon ako ng points. And nandito na rin yung aking timer na sa aking laptop. Ayan, so, kinakabahan ako. So, pwede ako mag-pass, tapos babalikan ko na lang siya kapag may time pa ako. So guys, timer starts now. First, pansamantala. Pansamantalang unan sa tuwing ika'y we could happen. I've been thinking about you lately. Maybe you can, especially for you. Hindi ko alam. Wait, pass. Next. 10,000 hours. I spent 10,000 hours and 10,000 more. Next, hindi ko alam. Vibe with me. Come vibe with me when you are free. Call me when it's 3. Next, one wish. If I had one wish, we could best friend. Love never ends. Branches ng Ben and Ben. Oh my God, nakalimutan ko siya. Wait. Next, your love. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. Someone you've loved. Now the day bleeds into nightfall when you're not here. Home. Pass. Fly me to the moon. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Kailan? Oh my God, hindi ko alam. Next. Don't Cry ng Guns N' Roses. Sa kanta nila. Pass. In Case You Didn't Know. Hindi ko talaga alam. Wait. Next. Weak. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. Fixing a Broken Heart. Hala, ito mga to. Sibiana. Ikaw pa rin ang baby ko, kahit wala ka na sabi. Nahulog. Next. Di tayo pwede. Next. Thinking Out Loud. Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Shout at Diyos. Hindi ko alam ito. Next. Homesick? Hindi ko din alam. Next. Brown Eyes. The way we held each other's hand, the way we talk, the way we love. She will be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved. Don't call me angel. I'm a devil. Hindi ko alam. Next. Oh my God. Malaya ka na. Ox lang? Hindi ko alam. Next. Imahe. Kinukulayan ng isipan, pabalik sa nakaraan. Because of you, Because of you, I never stray too far from the sidewalk. Rainbow, there's a rainbow always after the rain. Next, heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me. Dati, dati, sabay pa nating pinangarap ang lahat. Memories, here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, cause the drinks bring back all the memories. Next, I spy with my little light. Next, always be my baby, always be my baby, and you linger on without me, thinking you can live without me. You'll be safe here. Close your eyes, dry your tears, seems clear. You'll be safe here. Next, million dreams. I close my eyes and I can see. Next. Oh my God, 37 seconds. Pangarap kong ibigin ka. Oh my God. Ang ibigin ka sa habang panahon. Yun na yun. Ikaw pa rin. Hindi ko alam. Oh my God. Wala na. Wala na. Next, harana. Uso pa ba ang harana? Marahil ikaw ay... Oh my God! Alumni homecoming. Uy, naku, hindi ko alam. Next, bagsakan. Andito na si Chito Miranda. Andito rin si... Oh my God! Letting you go. Hindi ko alam. Next. Buwan. Oh, time na. So guys, may mga hindi ako nasagot. So ilan yun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yung hindi ko nasagot. Hindi ko siya naipakita rin sa inyo. So yung mga yun is itong buwan. Ito yung mga iba pang nasuggest na song pero hindi ko siya nakanta. Buwan sa ilalim ng puti nilang. Alam ko kumalin, mad. Man, hindi ko rin alam kung mad. Can't help wise man says. Ano ba yun? You make me smile, hindi ko alam. So sick, so I'm so safe. Oh, yan. And binaliwala. Ingatan mo siya. Yun yung mga hindi ko nasagot na binigay nyo guys. And yung mga hindi ko naman nasagot or yung mga napass ko is ito. Yung especially for you, 1. Yung branches, 2. Yung home, 3. Yung kailan, 4. Yung 5, yung don't cry. 6, yung in case you didn't know. 7, fixing a broken heart. 8, yung show a Diyos. 9, yung homesick. 10, yung don't call me angel. 11, yung ox lang. And 12, yung ikaw pa rin. Then 13, yung wala na. 14, alumni homecoming. And 15, yung letting you go. So 15 yung mga naipass ko. Tapos 6 ata yung hindi ko nasagutan. 2, 4, 6 yung mga hindi ko nasagutan. And 15 yung naipass ko. 15 plus 6 is 21 minus 50. 29 lang po yung nasagutan ko, no? So, 29 lang yung nasagutan ko, guys. Ayan, 29 lang yung nasagutan ko. So, ang mga nasagutan ko lang is yung bagsakan, harana, pangarap kong ibigin ka, million dreams, you'll be safe here, without me, always be my baby, I spy it, then memories, dati, heal the world, rainbow, because of you, imahe, malaya, she will be loved, brown eyes, thinking out loud, di tayo pwede, Zabiana, weak, fly me to the moon, someone you loved, your love, one wish, vibe with me, 10,000 hours, we could happen, and yung pansamantala. So, yun lang yung mga nasagutan ko, guys, yan. So, pero enjoy naman pala tong challenge na to, no? So, nakaka-excite siya, nakakataranta. Syempre, 5 minutes lang, tapos 50 yung songs. And ayun guys, try nyo rin to sa bahay nyo kasi ngayon, quarantine. Wala tayong magawa sa bahay. Kapag nabobore kayo, pwede tong banding with your family. So before I end this video, I just wanna do a shout out to my cousin, Kuya Jem. Hi Kuya Jem, I miss you. And also to my co-YouTubers, Noe Beluan, Noreen Sabado, and Master R. So andito po sa screen ang kanilang mga YouTube channel. So that's it for our video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell beside it para updated whenever I upload a new video. And don't hesitate to comment down below your video suggestions. And also kung magpapa-shoutout kayo, just comment down below. See you in my next video. Bye!